Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to upload or how to add our custom jar file into your OctoPerf scripts. So basically, it is any encryption algorithms or any custom code or any jars which is given by the application team, development team. So if you want to integrate those jar files into your test execution or to validate your script, then just we need to upload our jars into our OctoPerf. We'll see how to upload those jars into our OctoPerf scripts. So if let's say if you are using a JMeter folder, you are using a JMeter folder here. So with the JMeter folder, I'm taking the lib folder where we have a jar files. So if we need to upload any of the jar, so we'll take the jar file of DB driver. So we need, yeah, for if you're doing database drivers and you need, if you need a database testing and you need it, definitely you need a respect to DB jar files to connect it to your DB and do the testing. So this is the MariaDB client. So to run my DB script, my database script to work in OctoPerf, I need the drivers to be added into my OctoPerf project. So now just click on your files, just go to bin folder. In bin folder, select the respective jar file which you need and upload it. So this dependency uploaded into your OctoPerf. So this jar can be used by all the script in the project you have logged in. So I'm going back to the page now. We are in the project called in the project called my project. So the scripts in this project can access the jar file. The jar file in I mean we can add, we can use the same jar can be used by all the scripts in the same project, and there is no need to upload your jar file for the runtime environment. OctoPerf will take care of copying your dependency files into the LGs, and it will start execution from the LGs. So we are not sure which LGs are going to start, and there is no need to take care of copying your CSVs and your dependency jar files into the LGs. OctoPerf will by default it will take and it will get your OctoPerf will get your data and push it into your page. Sorry, OctoPerf LGs. Thanks for listening this, friends.